Hi, Fix-It Tony here. I am underneath my car looking at my fuel tank, and this is the location on a W202 chassis 1994 C280. This is the fuel sending unit location. It's below the car or beneath the car, not under the seats. It is protected by a plastic shroud. So I took that off and I unplugged the wire that was connected to here, and I'm inspecting, and there's wetness here. I'm not entirely sure, like it's pretty wet here. I'm not seeing an active drop right now or dripping. It could be that my car, I have it on jack stands, and it could be that it's not, how should I say, located in the the fuel is below maybe where it should be leaking. I'm not sure. I see this white reference mark here. It looks like this fuel sending unit could have been recently replaced. I doubt at the factory they would make a reference line to know where to tighten it to. I'm going to clean this area off really well and then try to see if a leak will recur, to see if I know where it is. I'm also just, before I start assuming everything is wrong with this, which it could be because my fuel gauge does not always register, so it could very well be a fuel sending unit. Nevertheless, this is the passenger side. I am going to try to tighten this. I do have a special tool. This tool here has the 4 pin marks. I'm going to hopefully this will line up with those 4 pins over there. We'll find out. Let's see. No battery. So let's see here. Yeah. So this does work. Okay. That's good. And on the back side, it's just a big nut. All right. So I'm going to just clean this area off, wash it, wipe it, try and get it dry, and then observe if any leaks occur overnight and where they could be coming from. Let's see if I can. So I cleaned up the fuel, and then I wiped everything down. I tightened that ring right there with the 4 holes. I tightened that, and now what I am seeing is wetness re-emerging around the perimeter of this fuel sending unit. So I'm not sure why it's leaking again. You can see how this was perfectly dry when I used brake clean, and now you can see sort of this wetness all the way around the perimeter. So I think, and then also around this screw again. So it is going to drip. Fascinating. So I'm gonna leave it overnight because I have to. I don't have a new sending unit, and I have to drain the gas tank because I was unable to siphon off the gas. The other thing I need to point out is my terminal here is round. So if I do get a new part, I have to make sure this part on the new one is also round. I think there was some discussion online that if it's square, you need a new wiring harness. So I really don't want to do a new wiring harness because I have no idea where all that goes.